Hey there, this is video 5.6. This is a practice page on measures of central tendency. So if you want to get good at this, and I know I've said it a bunch of times already, you need to practice. You need to do it on your own too. So turn off the video. If you get a little concerned, use a pencil. You don't have to use pen like me. The only reason I'm using pen is because it shows up better on the screen. Okay, so turn the video off, do the questions, and either turn the video back on to see them or check your questions against the answer key that you have for this package. All right, I'm going to trust you did that. So the average bills at a restaurant were recorded as followed. Find a whole bunch of stuff. All right, well, find a mean. So to find a mean, all I need to do is total this up. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bits of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bits of data. That's 41. Yeah, I carried 2 decimal places. Anybody want to say, tell me why? It's money. So, and I did rounding for it too. Now that seems really weird because most of these meals were like about 40 bucks, but the mean comes out at 78. How come it's so weird? Right? That $408 meal, whatever that was, messed up everything. Well, it didn't mess up the rate, the mean. It raised the mean, or it made it so it's not the best measure of central tendency. All right, range. I need my biggest number, which is 408, minus the smallest one. And it looks like the smallest one is 27. There. Oops. 381. All right, now median, the numbers have to go in order. A lot of times, and I didn't do it this time, but a lot of times what I'll do is I'll just put it in order to start because it doesn't matter with the mean if it's in order. The range is slightly easier if it's in order. It has to be. And that one's easier if it's in order. So there's nothing wrong with just doing it right away at the beginning. Because now I'm going to make sure I get these right. So 27, 31, 34. Oh, see, I missed one already. I lost 29. Squish it in there. That is 41, 43, 47, 47, 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So 1, 1, 1. Cross them off as we go. And I knew there were 9 data points, so I should end up with one number in the middle. All right, so 41 and mode. That's why it's nice to have an order. There are 2 47s. Oops. Oh. Going with my theory, 2 decimal places. Which of the above answers is the best measure of central tendency? Well, you know what? Either I would say median, you could argue mode. Why? To be honest, the 408 skews the data, so mean is no good. If you chose the mode, just say that was the price that was paid most often. And it is also close to median, then we're good. All right. Which number is an outlier? Do you remember outliers? Outliers are bits of data that don't seem to fit in with everything else. Yeah. The 408 is way bigger. It's much larger. Don't write way bigger. So in math 20, you're allowed to say it's just way bigger. You don't have to worry about it. I think it's in calculus or pre-calculus, or maybe just a stats class. There's actually math that you would do to determine whether or not something is officially an outlier. It's like 1.5 times the inner quartile range, and it's been a while since I've done that, so I'm not going to show you, but for now, you can just say, yeah, it's way bigger than everything else. It doesn't seem to fit. Okay, so what happens if we recalculate the mean without the outlier? In other words, we're going to add up everything. But we're not including the 408. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. +7 plus 27. $299. Now, okay, that was just me double checking that that number was good, right? I really do hate when I make mistakes on these. All right, so 299 divided among 8. 37, 38. So when you take that outlier, the mean is a lot better measure of the central tendency, right? So if we say $37 and we look at all these, yeah, 37 is not a bad measure of where the middle is. If we do the median, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. One there, and another one, and another one. All right, so because we have 2 left in the middle, add them up. 34 plus 41 over 2. Brain fart, 75. Let's see, 34 plus 41 over 2. 37.5. You can see that if you took 37, this is a number line. It should be in the middle. Oh, you know what? That is something I haven't talked about. This whole measure of central tendency with the mean and the mode. Okay, I get it right. The mean should be a number between your highest and lowest. Your median should be a number between your highest and lowest. Excuse me. Okay, because the biggest problem students make are They just remember that part. They forget about the divide by 2 and they're all happy with themselves and they say, hey, the median is 75. And I'm like, how is 75 in the middle? 75 is way out there, right? Or you want to find the mean. Well, it's 37. Yeah, if you look at that list of numbers, 37 belongs in there. But you know what? 299, that's way out in the distance. All right. Number 9 says, why is there more of a difference in the value of the mean when it's recalculated without well, because the mean includes all data. So the 400, so 408, changes mean a lot. Oops, my bad. I guess I should have said, sorry, I did that again. I guess I said in comparison to the median, because the median really you're just looking at the middle. So any data that's really low or really like the low end and the top end, they both are just kind of discarded. It's only the middle that you're looking at. All right, ta-da! You now have everything figured out about measures of central tendency, the mean, the median, the range, and the mode.